kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do volumes and surface area of solids. Our learning objectives are volumes and the capacity, right circular cylinder, surface area of the right circular cylinder, right circular cone, surface area of the right circular cone, sphere, volume of the sphere, hemisphere and the spherical shell, and the surface area of sphere. First is volume and capacity. The magnitude of the space occupied by the object is called its volume. Next is capacity. Capacity refers to the quantity that a container can hold. Volume is usually expressed in the cubic unit. Some standard unit of volume and their radiation are 1000 millimeter cube, that is equals to 1 centimeter cube. 1000 decimeter cube, that is equals to 1 meter cube. 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 decimeter cube. 10 to the power 9 meter cube equals to 1 kilometer cube. Capacity of the vessel is expressed in liter. 1 liter equals to 1 decimeter cube, that is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 milliliter equals to 0.001 liter, that is equals to 1 centimeter cube. 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter, that is equals to 1 meter cube. Next is review of earlier work. First is cuboid. Cuboid is a solid boundary by the sixth rectangular face is called the cuboid. Next is cube. The cuboid whose length, breadth and height all are equal, that is called cube. Next, some formulas. Volume of the cuboid, that length into breadth into height, cubic unit. Later surface area of the cuboid 2 into length plus breadth into height square unit. Diagonal of the cuboid, that is equals to root length square plus breadth square plus height square unit. Total surface area of the cuboid, that is equals to 2 multiplied by length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length square unit. If the side of the cube is A, then the volume of cube A cube cubic unit. Total surface area of the cube 6A square square unit. Later surface area of the cube, that is 4A square square unit. And the diagonal of cube root 3A unit. Now we'll take an example. A container is in the form of cuboid, 20 centimeter long, 3 centimeter wide and 14 centimeter high. Find the volume of the liquid in the liter and the container can hold. So the volume of the container, that is equals to 20 into 3 into 14 centimeter cube, 840 centimeter cube. Now we'll convert into liter. 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. 1 centimeter cube equals to 1 upon 1000 liter. So that is equals to 0.84 liter. You have to practice all these examples. Next is points to remember. The magnitude of the space region is called as volume. The standard unit of volume, that is 1 centimeter cube. It is the volume of the space occupied by the cube, each of whose edges 1 centimeter long. 1000 millimeter cube, that is equals to 1 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 decimeter cube. 1000 decimeter cube 1 meter cube. 10 to the power 9 meter cube, that is equals to 1 kilometer cube. 1 liter equals to 1 decimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube. 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter, that is equals to 1 meter cube. 1 milliliter equals to 0.001 liter, that is equals to 1 centimeter cube. If the length is L, breadth is B and height is H, then the volume of cuboid L into B into H, surface area of the cuboid, that is equals to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Diagonal of the cuboid, that is equals to root L square plus B square plus H square. If the side is A, volume of cube, that is A cube, surface area of cube 6A square and diagonal of the cube, that is root 3A. Next is exercise 15.1. Computational thinking. Copy and complete the following table for each of the cuboid. Length, width and height is given. We have to find the volume and surface area. Volume equals to L into B into H. So that is equals to 24 into 18 into 5. Length into breadth into width, that is equals to 2160 millimeter cube. Now we have to find the surface area. Surface area equals to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Clear? Now we'll put the value 24 into 18 plus 18 into 5 plus 5 into 24, that is equals to 1284 millimeter square. That is the surface area. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is right circular cylinder. In our day-to-day life, we come across the several solids like a tin, can, garden roller and the circular storage tank, which have the same shape known as the shape of cylinder. First is radius. The radius of the cross section is called the radius of cylinder. Base. Each of the circular end is called the base of cylinder. Height. The length between the two ends is called the height of the cylinder. So, this is the radius, this is height, and these are the base. Next is volume of the right circular cylinder. Consider the right circular cylinder of the radius r and the height h. Then area of the base pi r square. Volume of the right circular cylinder, area of the base into height, that is pi r square into h. So volume क्या हो जाएगा? Pi r square h cubic unit. Now we'll take an example. Find the volume of the circular cylinder of the height 50 centimeter having the radius of the base 4.2 centimeter. Radius is given and height is given, so volume is equal to pi r square h, 22 upon 7, 4.2 into 4.2 into 50, that is 2772 centimeter cube. Next is points to remember. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h, lateral surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h, total surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r plus h. Next is exercise 15.2. Critical thinking. Use pi as 22 upon 7 unless otherwise indicate. Find the volume of the right circular cylinder if the radius is r at its base and its altitude is h. Here radius and height is given. So volume equals to pi r square h. So we'll take pi as 22 upon 7. R is given and height is given, that is 15 centimeter. So that is equals to 2310 centimeter cube. That is the volume. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is surface area of the right circular cylinder. Consider a right circular cylinder of height h and radius r. Each of its base is the circle of the radius r. Therefore, the circular edge has the length 2 pi r. Take the rectangular strip of the paper of width h and wrap it exactly once around the cylinder. Now, cut off the strip and unfold it. The length of the rectangle is 2 pi r. Now, the area of the lateral surface area of the cylinder, that is equals to area of the rectangular strip of paper that wrap around it, that is equals to h into 2 pi r, that is equals to 2 pi r h. Thus, for the cylinder, the radius r and h, the lateral surface area, that is 2 pi r h square unit. Each base surface area pi r square unit and total surface area 2 pi r plus h square unit. Clear? Now we'll take an example. Find the lateral surface area of right circular cylinder if its base has a radius of 5 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. So radius and height is given. Lateral surface area, that is equals to 2 pi r h. So we'll put the respective value, that is equals to 251.43 centimeter square. Next is exercise 15.3. Critical thinking. Use pi as 22 upon 7 unless otherwise indicate. A closed circular cylinder has diameter 10 centimeter, height 15 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the cylinder. So, total surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r plus h. So 2 into 22 upon 7. Diameter is given, that is 10 centimeter. So R is 5 and 5 plus 15, that is equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 5 into 20, that is equals to 628.57 centimeter square. That is the total surface area of given cylinder. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is write circular cone. In our everyday life, many objects such as an ice cream cone, a conical vessel, a clown's cap, etc. are said to have the shape of right circular cone. First is vertex. Vertex is the fixed point A is called the vertex of the cone. Axis, the fixed line OA is called the axis of cone. Height, the length of the line segment joining the vertex to the center to the base is called the height of the cone. OA is the height of cone. Slant height, the length of the line segment joining the vertex to the any point on the circular edge of the base is called the slant height of the cone. AB and AC are the slant height of the cone. So, this is the vertex, this is height, this is radius, and this is called the slant height. Clear? In triangle AOC, angle O is 90 degree. Now, if the height OA is equals to H and radius OC equals to R, slant height AC equals to L, then the Pythagoras theorem, L square equals to H square plus R square, or L equals to root H square plus R square. So, volume of the right circular cone, take the conical cup of the radius R and height H. Then the volume of cone 1 by 3 area of the base into height, that is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square H. So, volume of the cone क्या हो जाएगा 1 by 3 pi r square H cubic unit. The volume of the cone is equal to the 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder with the same radius of the base of same height. We'll take an example. The conical cup is 18 centimeter high and the circular base of the diameter is 28 centimeter. The cup is full of water, which is now poured into the cylindrical vessel of circular base of diameter 20 centimeter. What will be the height of water in vessel? So, volume in the cup हो जाएगा 1 by 3 pi r square H, that is equals to 3696 centimeter. Now, what we have done? The water is poured into cylindrical vessel. So, let the height of vessel, that is H, and radius is given 10 centimeter. So, volume of cylinder किसके equal हो जाएगा? Volume of the cup. So, 22 upon 7 into 10 into 10 into H equals to volume जो हमने find out किया था वो रख लेंगे. Find out the value of H, that is 11.76 centimeter. Clear? Next is points to remember. Volume of the cone pi r square H upon 3. Later surface area of the cone, that is pi RL. Total surface area of the cone, that is pi R plus L. L square equals to H square plus R square, where L is slant height and H is height. Next is exercise 15.4. Critical thinking. Use pi as 22 upon 7 unless otherwise indicate. The height of the cone is 8 centimeter. Diameter of space is 12 centimeter. What is the volume of the cone? So, we have to find the volume. Volume equals to होता है 1 by 3 pi r square H. Clear? So, 1 by 3 pi we will take as 22 upon 7. Here the diameter is given 12 centimeter. So, radius क्या हो जाएगा 6. 6 into 6. And the height is given 8 centimeter. So, that is equals to 6. So, that is equals to 22 upon 7 into 12 into 8. That is 12, 6 to the 12 into 8. Clear? So that is equals to 301.71 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of given cone. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is surface area of right circular cone. Consider the cone of height h and the radius r and the slant height is L. Thus we have the sector of the circle, radius L, wrapped exactly once of the curved surface of the cone. The length of the arc of the sector is the circumference of the base of the cone. If it is the cut vertically, one placed and open out, it forms the sector of the radius L and the length of arc equal to the circumference of the base of the cone. Length of arc क्या हो जाएगी? That is equals to 2 pi r. Now the area of the sector equals to 1 by 2 into length into arc into radius. So 1 by 2, 2 pi r into L, that is pi r L. So the area of curved surface of the cone, that is pi r L square unit. Total surface area of the cone, curved surface area plus base area. So pi r L plus pi r square, that is pi r plus L square unit. Clear? Now we'll take an example. The diameter of the base of the cone is 10 centimeter and slant height is 15 centimeter. Find the area of its curved surface. So we'll find out r, that is 10 by 2, 5 centimeter. Slant height is given 15 centimeter. Curved surface area pi r L. 22 upon 7 into 5 into 15, that is 235.71 centimeter square. Next is exercise 15.5. Critical thinking. Use pi as 22 upon 7 unless otherwise indicate. The diameter of the cone 14 centimeter. Slant height is given 9 centimeter. Find the area of the curved surface. So area of curved surface equals to हो जाएगा pi r L. Pi we will take as 22 upon 7. R 14 upon 2, that is 7 into L is given 9. So that is equals to 198 centimeter square. Clear? That is the curved surface area. Clear? Next is sphere. A ball is a familiar object which suggests the concept of the sphere. Sphere, the set of the point in the space adjacent from the fixed point is called the sphere. Radius, the distance of a point on the square from its center is called the radius of the sphere. OA is the radius. Here OA, this is radius. OB is also radius. Diameter, the line segment through the center of the sphere and with the end point on the sphere is called the diameter of sphere. AB is the diameter of sphere. AB, that is the diameter of sphere. Clear? Next is hemisphere. A plane through the center divide the sphere into two equal parts. Each part is called the hemisphere. Diameter divide the sphere into two equal halves, that is known as hemisphere. Each part is known as hemisphere. Next is spherical shell. The difference of two solid concentric sphere is called the spherical shell. Volume of the sphere, hemisphere and the spherical shell. So volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. Volume of hemisphere 2 upon 3 pi r cube cubic unit. So volume of spherical shell 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Here capital R is outer and small r is inner radius. Clear? Fact file. A sphere is a body or the space bound by the surface where every point is equidistant from the point which is called the center. Now we'll take an example. Find the volume of the sphere of radius 14 centimeter. Here radius is given 40 centimeter, volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3, 20 upon 7, 14 into 14 into 14, that is 11,498.67 centimeter cube. Clear? Next is points to remember. Volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. Surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square. Volume of the hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube. Curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of the hemisphere 3 pi r square. A plane through the center of the sphere, cut it into 2 equal parts. Each part is called the hemisphere. The solid generated by the revolution of the rectangle about one point of the side is called the right circular cylinder. Next is exercise 15.6. Critical thinking. Use pi as 22/7 unless otherwise indicated. Find the volume of the sphere whose diameter is. Diameter is given 14 centimeter. Volume 4/3 pi r cube. Clear? So 4/3 will take pi as 22/7. Diameter is given 14, that means radius is 7. So 7 into 7 into 7, that is equals to 1437.33 centimeter cube. That is the volume. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is surface area of sphere. Area of the curved surface of sphere S equals to 4 pi r square square unit. Curved surface area of the hemisphere S equals to 2 pi r square square unit. So total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square square unit. Now we will take an example. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 14 centimeter. R is given 14 centimeter. Surface area, that is equals to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22/7 into 14 into 14, that is 2464 centimeter square. Clear? Next is exercise 15.7. Critical thinking. Use pi as 22/7 unless otherwise indicated. Find the surface area of a sphere whose diameter is. Diameter is given 15 centimeter. Surface area 4 pi r square. Clear? 4 into 22/7. R is given 15/2 into 15/2. That is equals to 707.14 centimeter square. Clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is, let's recall. Take the correct option. Count the number of cube in the figure given here. So आपको फिगर को देखना है and you have to identify how many cubes are there. हमने चैप्टर में पढ़ा है क्यूब किस शेप का होता है, कैसे होता है. So you have to identify and count the number of cube and accordingly you will do. Next question. A cylinder and a cone have the same height and the same radius of the base. The ratio between the volume of the cylinder and the cone. So, volume of the cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h, and volume of the cylinder, that is equals to pi r square h. So, here we know that have the same height and same radius. R equals to h. So ratio क्या हो जाएगा उसका? 3:1. Clear? So here B is the correct option. So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.